Poppy K and her bookish thoughts, adventures with ogres and astronauts. Poppy K and her bookish thoughts. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. I hope you are doing well. Well, today I'm busy cooking Sunday dinner, but yesterday I popped off to the library and to some charity shops to pick up some books. So let's have a look and see where I went, and then I'll show you on the other side of this what I picked up. Well, hello. Okay, so I have hit upon a new genre for me. I do like fantasy. What else would I say? I like just a little bit of YA sometimes, but I have never read sort of murder mystery before, and I have never read Agatha Christie. I read an Agatha Christie last week, my first one. I read A Murder is Announced. Loved it. Brilliant. So I went to the library yesterday and I picked up Murder on the Orient Express. Now, the A Murder is Announced was a Miss Marple. This is a Poirot. Hercule Poirot. So I thought I'd give that a go. So today what I've been doing, I've made up some little bookmarks of like Orient Express style bookmarks. I've got these ones here. They've got like little quotes on and stuff. I'll link the Etsy shop that I got these. They're like print-offs, and then I've just laminated them myself. So I've done that. And then these are off. You'll find this out about me. There's a website called the Graphics Fairy, and I've done all of these as well. These have got like certain quotes on. So everyone is a moon and has a dark side, which he never shows to anybody, and that's by Mark Twain. So, and I've just literally printed them off and put them onto and laminated them. There's these ones. I love that with the what are they called? I can't remember what they're called now. And that one, and then I've got a dragon one, which is like this, but that's in my Fire and Blood book. So that's what I'm doing. That is what I'm going to be reading. So we will do a little bit of a reading vlog about murder on the Orient Express. Hello. So I'm doing an update on Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. I'm up to part 2. The murder has happened. I'm not going to do any spoilery sort of review on this, but I'm really enjoying it actually at the moment. I watched a Poirot the other day. I can't actually remember what it was called, but it was quite funny. So yeah, really enjoying it. I'm, as I say, part 2, so that's 75 pages in already. So hopefully I will get this finished in the next, if not to, well, no, I won't get it finished today. Probably tomorrow, if not tomorrow, Wednesday, because there's a couple of other books I want to get. I want to get read, but I'm going to show you something that I got in the post today. Well, firstly, oh no, it's out there. I got in the post today. I'm going away soon, and I'm going to Wales, and I want to read a Welsh book. So I got this, and of course we're getting up to spooky season. Technically, we're in spooky season. And I just wanted to have a read of this. It's basically a guide to spirits, lore, and magic of Wales, and it basically looks into the where witchcraft has come from, folklores, things like that, and you can actually try out a few little bits and pieces. So I've got a good little plan for that, but that's coming with me on holiday. Look at that dragon. So yeah, really looking forward to that. Got the fire on, and I want to do a bit more reading. Okay, so I'm on the last chapter. We still don't know who done it yet. But I tell you what, at the moment it's kind of gone from interviewing all of the passengers that are within where the murder has happened. And it's quite good actually, because in part 3, because it's set into 3 parts, in part 3 there's the list that Poirot has made of each suspect, and I still don't know. I've got one more chapter left and I still don't know. I've guessed a few times and then it's changed and then it's changed. I think there's going to be, my prediction is that there is going to be a plot twist, but I don't know. I've got a few suspicions, so I'm going to finish off the last chapter and then I will be back. Well, that's it. I finished it. Wow. I'm obviously not going to tell you anything because I don't want to spoil it for you. But if you've not ever read Agatha Christie, I would definitely recommend. I mean, they're not thick, chunky books. If I hadn't had to keep putting it down to make dinner and go to work and stuff, you could probably read that in a day. It's 274 pages. So, yeah. I'd read this first and then I'm going to watch one of the adaptations, I think, because I haven't seen any of them. So, but yeah, I really enjoyed it. I don't know, I think the Poirot series for me is better than the Miss Marple. I think Miss Marple's a little flowery, and I've never really watched Miss Marple on TV, but I've watched Poirot and I love the 1920s and 30s anyway. So definitely my recommendation is the Poirot season. So series, I mean. So yeah, definitely I would recommend. So that's it. I don't know what my next book's going to be. I did have one somewhere and I can't remember what I've done with it. Oh well, never mind. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Oh, I'd give this 5 stars, by the way. I'm going to give it 5 stars over on my Goodreads. So I will link my Goodreads below as well if you want to friend me over there. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.